Hi guys, let's solve this radical expression together. Alright, so we have square root of 50, which can also be written as square root of 25 times 2, then minus root 2 over square root of 8 is also square root of 4 times 2, which will give us 8. Alright, so now let's give them separate square roots. So we have square root of 25 multiplied by square root of 2 minus square root of 2 over that will be square root of 4 multiplied by square root of 2. Okay, now we can find square root of 25, which is 5. Then root 2 minus the root 2 over square root of 4 is 2. So that will be 2 root 2. Alright, so now what we are going to do is to factor out root 2. Root 2 is common. We can factor it out. Alright, so by the time we factor root 2 out, we have something like root 2 open bracket 5, that is that 5 minus 1, then over root 2 times 2. Okay, root 2 times 2 is anything as 2 root 2. Then root 2 is common, we cancel it out. We are left with 5 minus 1, which is 4 over 2. How many 2 can we see in 4? We can see 2. So our final answer is 2. Now let's try this out. We have square root of 27 minus square root of 3 over square root of 12. Now let's simplify this and write our answer down in the comment section.